First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To create AI content workflows, start by deciding what type of content you want the workflow to produce. For example, you could build a workflow for blog ideas, social media posts, video scripts, product descriptions, email content, or other marketing materials. Next, define the workflow step by step. Decide what information the user will provide, what Gemini should do with that information, and what final content should be produced. For example, a content workflow could take a topic, generate several ideas, create an outline, write the content, and then produce a short promotional version. Open Google AI Studio and create clear instructions for each stage. Keep each step focused on one specific task. For example, the first step could generate ideas, the second could create an outline, and the third could turn the selected outline into a finished piece of content. Test each step separately before connecting everything together. If a step produces inconsistent results, refine its prompt and provide examples of the output you want. You can also use structured outputs when one step needs to pass predictable information to the next step. For example, the idea generation step could return a title, target audience, angle, and key points. Once each step works correctly, connect